Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
First, gather everything you need to create an Apple ID for purchases. You need an email address and a strong password you can remember. You also need a payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal account, saved to your billing profile. Prepare your billing address and phone number ahead of time for verification. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS or Mac OS updates before you begin. Keep at least /bin/sh 99 available for a confirmation or initial test purchase if asked. Open Settings and tap Sign In to your iPhone or iPad to begin creating the Apple ID. Choose Create Apple ID when prompted and enter your email and birth date as requested. Create a strong password that includes uppercase letters and numbers for better security. Provide your billing address and add a payment method to enable in-app purchases immediately. Apple will send a verification email. Open it and tap Verify Now to confirm your account. After verification, sign in to the App Store with the new Apple ID. After signing in, open the App Store and confirm your payment details to enable in-app purchases. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Payment and Shipping to add or edit a card, PayPal, or Apple ID balance. Set purchase authentication under Settings to require immediately or allow a 15-minute grace period for convenience. If this Apple ID belongs to a child, use Screen Time to disable or require approval for in-app purchases. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect purchases and account access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.